Hi guys. So, I recently posted a short showing how I got Mythic Tadpole Bee with somehow 16 blueberries. It's not a joke, by the way. Here is Mythic Tadpole Bee. Anyway, I'm trying to get a white hive. Why did I say white? I mean blue. Mythic Tadpole Bee. It's obvious that I would start off with blue. Because, in my opinion, blue is the best hive color. Anyway, right now, I feel like I'm gonna store my invigorating nectar because I'm probably gonna need it for a future video. Also, yeah, turns out I have 0 tickets, so I can't store it. Oh, not the trickster. That's cool. For now, I feel like I'm just gonna find yeah, but maybe I'll get something. Who knows? Supreme Saturated over there. I guess I'll get like a badge for Dandelion, I guess. I've already got one hot shot or something. I get so much baby love. Because number one, Tadpole Bee gifted, just in case you didn't know. When it's gifted, it can, have, where is it? Yeah, baby love. Also, if anyone has, like, tips, I'd really appreciate them. I'm so sleepy right now. Also, people tell me to get the rake a lot, so I'm going to. Wait, can I buy enough tickets to go to the gummy bee? How much does it cost for me to get 100? Can't even afford that. Yeah. I feel like I'm an idiot for that, but... Ooh, vicious bee. No, I can't have this one on the chicks there. Hopefully just no one activates it. Maybe I can put my friends or something. Whatever. Alright. I need 200 more and then I'll be able to get gummy bee. Oh god, I'm lagging. I have a lot of battle points. Also, by the way, if anyone can... oh, spider. One sec. If anyone can help me beat a level 10 snow bear, that would be very good, and I will be very thank you. I'll give you like a shout out, I guess. For one reason, I have a friend, a cool dude named Domas. I don't know him at all, that's just his Roblox name. He helped me with level 1 through 9, but he's like a very late game player. He has like the pedal wand and stuff. He's very much a pro. Oh damn! Isn't a candle pretty rare? Also, I'm lagging a lot. You know, I'm gonna be nice. If anyone has Spirit Bear quests, normally a lot of the Spirit Bear quests have Honey Storm tokens needed. So yeah. So I don't really know what to do. I don't know my game goal. I feel like I should just get more bubble bees, because maybe get my diamond bee gifted, because you need that for blue hives. I already have a gifted buckle bee, so I'm not looking towards that. So I don't need 2, I only need 1. Also, I got the gifted buckle bee from a normal royal jelly. I didn't even like have a buckle bee and then just feed it a lot. I just coincidentally got it. Also, yes, if you want to know what I call the glider, I call it the paraglider. I like the Legend of Zelda. 1 hour left. Also, yes, I have a bronze star amulet. Really, what I'm planning to do is get like a pop star when I'm in like crazy late game. I want a pop star from SSA. That'd be fire. Like having pop stars with Blue Hive is so good. Or at least Gummy Star. I don't want a Scorching Star or the other one. I don't want that. Oh, so the frogs, I call him Bob. Is everything I fight off cooldown or something? I'm gonna go try to beat Tunnel Bear. I think I can beat him pretty easily. Now you might be thinking, I'm a late game. I mean, I'm a pretty early game player. How would I be able to beat Tunnel Bear? I know how to break his ankles. Alright, there he is. See, he follows you, so when he's close to you, you can just go to that side. That's what I mean by breaking his ankles. Oh, man. Thank you, Red. I know you're not the one doing it. It's your festive bee, but still. See, like, if I wanted to go back, I can. Like, I'm gonna do it right now. Are y'all ready? Just have to get up close. Oh, his ankles are broken. So yeah, you can practically just run circles around him. That's pretty cool. Come on, please, someone draw. Yeah, whatever. You can. I've gotten him to 4,000 HP before. Yeah. It's not really that much when you think about it. But still, I feel proud of myself. Is Viscerby still there? Because if so, he's gonna sting me in the butt. Also, yes, I watch Yarrow, because that's where I got the joke from. Okay, Viscerby is sadly gone. Look, you guys, give me video ideas in the comments. If so, if I like them, if I like them, I'll likely do them. I just really need ideas right now. I'm just tired for now. So anyway, yeah, goodbye, I guess.